Hello everyone, this is Sarvesh Khanna from Panimala Engineering College. This is a project that a light can transfer the data with high speed. I will give a brief information about the light fidelity. This is an interesting project and I will stimulate the circuit diagram for the light fidelity at everycircuit.com. Contents: we can see the introduction of light fidelity and how it works, comparison of Li-Fi and Wi-Fi, applications of light fidelity, advantages and limitations of light fidelity, feature development, conclusion, and finally working on the everycircuit.com to get the output of light fidelity. Introduction of light fidelity. It is a wireless network technology, wireless communication with the light to transfer the data and position between the devices. And light wave transfer the data faster than the radio waves, and LED varies its intensity faster. The light waves are used instead of radio waves to transfer the data faster. How it works: an LED transfer the data as 0 and 1s, known as binary values. The LED can switch on or off instantly, which gives a good data transmitting. The light source works as a house of data transmission. Comparison between Li-Fi and Wi-Fi. Li-Fi, it uses light signal instead of electromagnetic wave signals. It has high security than the Wi-Fi. It has high speed data transmission, higher than the Wi-Fi. Less power consuming comparing to Wi-Fi. Cost is also lesser than Wi-Fi. Applications of light fidelity. In future, it is used for modern medical instruments. In aircraft, it can be used for data transmission. It is also used for location-based devices such as GPS. Advantages and limitations. Advantages: larger bandwidth, higher efficiency, more availability, high security, and eco-friendly. Limitations: Li-Fi does not work in dark places. Light cannot pass through the objects such as bricks, lampposts, such as anything, etc. A major challenge facing Li-Fi is how the receiving device will transmit the data back to the transmitter. Future development. In future, radio waves value will be increased in frequency to make a good data transmission, but it is harmful to our nature, so we can use this Li-Fi technology replacement of Wi-Fi technology. It is eco-friendly, quick, and reliable. Let's see the conclusion. Data can be transferred at the high speed up to 10 GB per second and improve the efficiency of data transmission. It overcomes the limitations of radio spectrum. Li-Fi is enabled by advanced digital transmission technologies. Let's see the simulation in the circuit diagram and get the output in everycircuit.com. This is the circuit diagram of light fidelity. Let's get into the everycircuit.com and find the output of light fidelity. Welcome to everycircuit.com. It is a user-friendly network. It has many features and many components. Let's see our circuit and get the output for the light fidelity. Now, I have already set some values and set some components here: 3 NPN transistors, 6 resistors, 3 capacitors, and 1 voltage source and 1 LED. Now, we can change these values of resistors, capacitors, and the voltage source by clicking it, and click this adjust symbol and click the knob to adjust the value as per your accuracy. I set the capacitor value for 2.2 microfarad. Let's connect the circuit and get the output. Let's connect the 6 resistance to respective base terminals. Connect these 2 resistance to the base terminals. And connect all the capacitor one end to the base terminal, and connect all the capacitor end to the base terminal, and the other end of the capacitor should be grounded. another end of the capacitor should be grounded. Now all the emitter side should be connected with the other emitter side of the NPN transistor, and this center emitter side should be connected to the one end of the LED, and the all collector side should be connected with another connector side. Let's connect this collector side to this collector side and grounded it, and connect all 1 kilo ohm resistor to the respective collector side. Connect all 1 kilo ohm to the respective collector side. Connect all 1 kilo ohm to the respective collector side, and connect all 4 kilo ohm resistor to the another side of an LED. Connect all the 4.7 kilo ohm to the another side of the LED, and you connect the voltage source to the 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, and connect the negative side of the voltage source should be grounded. Now this is the complete circuit of light fidelity. Now we can run and get the output. This is the output for the light fidelity. You see the LED is glowing. Now it is proved that the circuit is correct and it is useful to our future. The light fidelity. The Li-Fi is used in our future. It is more quicker and reliable than the Wi-Fi. So we can use this technology as replacement of Wi-Fi and get more speed and get high security for data transmission. Thanking you.